So, hey guys, welcome back to Learning with the Party. Today we're going to be doing phonics, letter A. So let's read what's on the board for phonics. Letter A. So this is big A and small A. Sound. Short A. So today we're going to be doing letter short A. Sound. So I'm going to be teaching you how to trace the letter, how to write the letter A. That is how you guys do it. I didn't press down too hard. See, I didn't press down too hard. Now I'm trying to try the best to write it properly. So this is how you write your big A. So there's two lines. So this line goes down. This line goes down straight. So you have a next line what go cross way. That line what go cross way. Now that side and a cross way in the middle. This is how you do it. You're going to start from the top again. Oh, and don't forget that this video is for 3-year-old child, and 4 and 5 and 6. Do not forget, cause just see how I do it neat, but not really like I don't really do it on the dots. I really like you to trace it on dots though. But I soon get the hang of the dots too. So there a next straight line, and that straight line, and then a crossways. And then the next for the small A was say A. The short A say
So
A.
teacher, what's the other name for the small A?
Common A. The small A is the common A, and the big A is the capital A.
Okay.
So they have different names. So you write it, but first a backward C with a stick down, and with a stick in the middle. No, that's like you're drawing up. That's like you're drawing something else more than a letter A. This is how you write backward C like that, then I stick down. Make backward C like that. And I stick up, but it's really like a O first though. But when you're doing this, it is like a C at the curve, but then to turn one O, and then when I put the stick at the stick, it will turn into one small A. This is how you write this small A, boys and girls. You don't really like pressure your mind. And if you don't know how to write the letter A, just watch this video. So look carefully. There, to letter U, write your letter A. So back to the letter A. So where were we? Okay. So what do you guys think this picture is? What do you think this is?
It looks like an ant.
And what do you guys think this what do you think this picture is?
It looks like an apple. Teacher.
But this is a fruit and this is something that can bite us.
Like an insect, teacher.
Simple clue. This is like an ant. So go on that line.
Should it be letter C, teacher?
No.
What about letter D?
No.
I don't know, teacher.
They can just give you a simple. It's like something right around like a O with a stick down
letter
there.
A.
Yes.
Okay.
Letter A. So letter A goes there. And this word is what do you think this word is?
Ant.
Yes, this word is ant. So ant spell is A-N-T.
Oh.
And what do you think should go on this line?
B.
No.
I.
No.
Is it an X?
No.
I don't know, teacher.
Well, make I give a simple clue. Like something right around the like that with a stick down.
Oh, it's A.
Yes, letter A to go on this line. Because the letter C, can you please tell me what the letter A say?
I don't know. I'm only 4 years old.
Letter A say ah.
Ah.
Yes, for the short A. But the long A now is A.
A.
Yes, for the long A, but for the short A is ah.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's write the letter A on the line. And this word is, what do you think this word is?
It looks like a P. A P.
Okay. So A and P make up, and when I put the P-L-E together, that's apple. That's
A P.
yes. So it's apple. Apple spell like this. A P P L E.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, and I also my letter is down. So sing it with me, please. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. So the letter is a ah.
A.
The letter is a.
A.
Both of them are different. Saying the small A say ah. When there's 2 A, it's long and you say A.
Nice.
So make sure that you love this video. Give it a huge thumbs up. So if you like this video, let's give it a huge thumbs up. Bye.